Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Recording Time. So, in this video, I'm going to learn you guys how to make a free intro on your Android or iOS device. Please make sure before you watch this video to subscribe, like this video, and also turn on post notifications to never miss an upload. So, let's just get right into this video. Okay guys, so firstly you want to go and create a new post on KineMaster. Go to 16:9. Now, you want to go to your gallery and select any image. Press OK and drag the image the exact length that you want your intro to be. I would drag mine to 10 seconds. I won't recommend you guys to make any intros on your YouTube account longer than 10 seconds. Now press OK. Then go to Layer, Media and Images. As you guys can see on the top right here, you can press over there and you can actually go and buy some cool looking pages. As you guys can see, I would recommend to go and buy this one. I already installed it. So now you want to select any page. I'm going to select this one for now. Then overlay it on top of your other photo. Make it the exact same length. Enlargement it over that photo. Now you want to go and press OK. Then go to Layer, Text, and text anything. I'm just going to do my YouTube name. Recording time. Just like so. Press OK. And then just enlargement it or even make it smaller. Now you want to go to outline, enable it, select your color. I'm just going to select purple because it fits with the outlinement. And then you can select how much you want it. I would recommend you guys to go for 30. And now I want to go and press OK. Then make your text also the exact length of your photos. Now you want to go and press on your overlay of image, which is this one. Create a keyframe by tapping on the left key over here. Now you want to forward it about like this, just about over there, and you just crop your image again and just turn it or do whatever you guys want. Zoom it back in just like so, and then it will automatically create a keyframe again, as you guys can see. Now just repeat this process over and over and over until the whole thing is full. I'll see you guys when mine is done. So after finishing that, you guys should just select your text over here and just create a keyframe. Now you just repeat the whole same process and you just turn your text or whatever you want to do where the other video keyframe stops. Then it will also automatically create a keyframe for you. So after you are finished, press OK. Then go to beginning, and as you guys can see, it turned out pretty well. I will soon play the video for you guys, but first go to audio. Then I just downloaded some music from the app and I just downloaded this one. And now press OK, add it to your intro, press on the audio itself and just crop it, just like so. Just like so. And now that everything is nicely and neatly onto each other, the same exact length, you can also, after pressing OK, go to layer, go to media, and press OK, go to layer again, go to sticker. I also downloaded some other cool effects, and then you can select anyone. I'm just going to select this boy, press OK, same exact length, and you can actually just move it wherever you want it. Right there, press OK, and yeah. So guys, that is basically how you do it. Pretty simple and easy. If you know how to do it, it's pretty simple. So let me show you guys how it turned out. 1, 2. This video was helpful for you guys, so please make sure, if it was, to drop a fat big thumbs up, and also subscribe, and also turn on post notifications to never miss an upload. Please comment down below if you guys have any video suggestions or any questions. This is also my first video, so if you guys could please just subscribe, like this video, turn on post notifications, it will mean the world to me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!